Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to add a clear medium such as this to a black canvas. Okay, it's pretty simple. Just come in and get a little bit, start mushing it in. It does cause glare. You want to get up into the corners. Start this. This is a canvas panel, so it usually goes a little easier on here than an actual canvas. Again, just get a little bit, dip it in. Hope you can see that, and then wipe as much off as you need. And if you put too much on, which I usually, I'll push right here. Hopefully I got it on autofocus, so I want it to stay focused. You're just going to come in, and this is gesso on the bottom here that I already added, and it's just a black gesso. You can get these at art stores, and then I paint that over the canvas. Okay, and it dries in probably about half an hour or less. You can use a hair dryer if you're in a hurry. A lot of times if you get the brush out, you can just paint a bunch of them and let them dry. But see, there's a lot up there, littler in the bottom. And I don't think I need to load it anymore. I'm just going to grab some more from up here. Try to keep from getting... Okay. And I'm going to do, I don't know, I'm going to paint this today. I don't know what I'm going to use on it. Hopefully my head's not in the way too much. Okay. See how easy this is? And you can just kind of go through here and make sure you cover it evenly. It's not as important in the ground, I don't think, as the sky. Because I'm going to do Aurora Borealis today, or Northern Lights on this. And I put the blue tape around it, just so it has a frame, but more importantly, it sits on my easel better. I don't have to go all the way to the top, and it'll make a nice... And then I'm just going to go back and forth. And if you think you have too much, you can come in with a blue shop rag and wipe it off. But I think this is pretty good here. And blend it in, or go up and down, side to side. Pull some of that down. Okay, and that's how you do it. And if you do, there's a good coat on there, but I don't think it'll be too much for today. I think it'll work out pretty good. So that's how you do it. Hopefully that helps, and have a great day.